Hello and welcome to the Bike Sanctuary. My name's Ben and today I'm going to be showing you around this Honda CMX500 Rebel. It's powered by the same 500cc parallel twin that you would find in the CBR 500, the CB500 and the CB500X. It's a really economical, robust motor that's been in lots and lots of bikes. Very reliable. 471 cc's, producing just under 47 horsepower. So this bike is obviously A2 friendly. The Rebel is also really popular with people for a number of other reasons. Obviously being A2 legal is one, but the low seat height for those of us who are slightly vertically challenged, this is a great bike to jump on, particularly if it's like your first bike and you want to be flat-footed. The riding position isn't as radical as most cruisers. Your feet are somewhat still underneath you, so it makes it quite an easy bike to get on, you know, and just ride. And the other thing is, obviously being a lightweight cruiser, there aren't too many of these. It's got quite a short wheelbase. It's still very agile and flickable, which makes it quite good fun to ride. This particular one's a 2017. It's covered just under 9,000 miles. It's got a number of nice aftermarket goodies in it, which I'll point out as we go. It's got some new front tyre on it. It's got a new pair of tyres, I should say. These are Cobra Chromes. These tend to be our go-to choice of tyres for cruisers. They've got really good edge grip and they've got really good reviews in the rain as well. These have only got a single disc, as you can see. This is the ABS model, but they only need just the one disc. It's quite a lightweight bike, and obviously it's not capable of really high top speeds, so you only need the single disc on this. It's got the Nissan brakes on it, which are a really good, well tried and tested brake. Cosmetically, the bike's finished in, I would say it's a satin grey. The rest of the bike is finished in black. On this side, you can see that we've got an aftermarket lower fairing panel with integrated LED indicators. Might not be to everyone's taste, but the good thing about this is that it protects the exhaust. Now the exhaust on these are painted with a matte black paint from new. As soon as they get hot, that tends to fade. So it covers that up, protects the exhaust from all the elements, and doesn't look that bad in my opinion at all. Also on this side you can see that we've got the engine case protectors. They come as standard with these bikes. It's a good thing to have just in case you do have a sort of a slow speed drop. And further towards the back you can see that it's got some aftermarket Diablo pipes. Now these do retain the original cat and collector box, so they're not obnoxiously loud, but they do release a bit of the sound, so people will hear you coming in traffic and stuff like that. We do have the original exhaust if you want to refit that. As I said, relatively low seat position, quite a comfy pillion seat if you're going to take a pillion. This particular bike has been upgraded to have a backrest and sissy bar on the back, and it's also got a pre-installation for luggage as well, so if you wanted to you could bolt a top plate Givey or Shad or something like that on there, and you could have a top box if you wanted to use it every day. And as you can see, it's got matching Cobra Chrome on the back. I would be surprised if these tyres have done 500 miles. They look pretty much brand spanking new. Around the front we've got this little bikini fairing, mainly cosmetic. Probably kicks the air up over the top of the rider a little bit, but as I say, mainly cosmetic. The bike's in good condition, I'd say. There's a few signs of wear and tear here and there. As you can see, there's a little bit of a shine on the mudguard at the front there where I think someone's probably had a tool roll on it. There's no major marks, scratches, dings or dents or anything like that, but obviously it's not a brand spanking new bike, so you've got to allow for a little bit of wear and tear. Things like chain sprockets, brakes and tyres all get checked during the pre-delivery inspection, but on the surface of things, everything looks really clean and tidy. It looks like it's been well loved and looked after. The bike comes with 2 keys, owner's manuals and service history. It is a retro, so it does have a digital dash, which is quite cool. So all of the basic information that you would need is here. Obviously you've got fuel, you've got your trips, you've got your speed, and obviously your warning lights. The bike is also fitted with Oxford heated grips, which is our, again, go-to brand for heated grips. And they are staged so you can go from 30 to 100%. They've got a smart ECU, so they also turn off with the ignition. Let's give the bike a start up for you. key, if you're interested, is just on the left hand side in typical cruiser style. So this bike will come with a 3-month warranty. It comes with free delivery to England and Wales. We offer delivery to Scotland for a small charge. We offer finance and part exchange, so if those are things that you're interested in or you've got any general questions, please feel free to reach out. We've got WhatsApp, live chat, all the socials. Pick up the phone and ask us any questions that you've got, or feel free to drop into the showroom and try the bike on for size. That's it from me. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.